Alright, welcome back. So we're going to try and see if we can fix the spark issue on the motorcycle. So just now I discovered the boot pieces were coming off on mine, so I figured I could get it. I actually was able to get it apart now, so I might be able to cut this wire back a little bit and maybe give it a fresh start or something. But we'll see what happens here. The way that this is supposed to work, from what I understand, is you just screw it on like this until it's tight. But because mine had been messed with so much, mine has become loose and is no longer connected to the original boot. I don't think it's a problem with the boot. I may even just reuse the original boot now that I was able to get everything apart, because that was just something that I wasn't able to do previously because everything was just so stuck together. I really shouldn't even use this boot, I don't think, because it's cracked. So I might use this boot, but I bought this one off the internet and I would have been able just to use this one, but it broke. What the So anyways, I went to the store just in case I needed to buy another one, and I bought another one. So if I can't repair this one, if there's a problem with this boot somehow, I have a spare boot at least. I've also got a spare this, so just in case it is actually this is the problem, I'll be able to replace it. Anyways, let's get to work. So that's what we have now. This is what we had before. So I think I can make this work. I'm gonna put the old boot back over it, slide it back on. I didn't cut very much off, you saw how much I cut. Hey, it's sparking now. Yeah! Alright, so I put the gas tank back on and hook the fuel back up. The only thing I think I need to do is put this to prime. I think that's prime? Yeah, it's prime. Turn the key on. And hope for the best. Woo. Fuck. Hang on. Alright, we're gonna try it again. So I had it sit on prime for just a minute. I think I have the choke open. Attack even kind of works. Yeah.